Let's make something called Myers Rum Ginger Beer. This drink is going to be made in a glass, and we're going to start by taking a rocks glass and putting some ice cubes in it. Perfect number. Next, we are going to add our rum. We're going to put in 2 ounces of the Myers Original Dark Rum. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. And the recipe calls for 3 ounces of the ginger beer. They don't specify the ginger beer, so I'm going to use Reed's because that's what I got. 3 ounces is 90 milliliters. And am I going to measure it out? Yes, I am. Would I normally? No, I would not. Keep some bubbles in. The recipe then says to stir it. I don't know if that's really necessary, but a gentle stir. And then the garnish. The garnish is a lime wheel, pre-cut for my enjoyment. And there you have it, the Myers Rum Ginger Beer. Drink with good spirits.